Alright. Tornado sirens going off. I'm looking around. That means a tornado has been spotted. Looks pretty gnarly out there. I'm gonna turn on the news and see if I see anything. Alright, so the siren stopped about a couple minutes ago. But I can hear another one in the distance. There's some crazy wind going on. You can see my chairs already went flying. And I hear another siren, but I can't tell where it's coming from. The skies are really, really dark. And that wind is crazy. It's making me think there's a tornado right in front of me. Wow! I mean, that tree's gonna blow over. I mean, all my trees are going bonkers here. Trying to get a good sight through the rain. Just trying to keep my eye out here. This is pretty intense, man. I don't remember. I mean, it's 6:45. It should be like in July. It should be pretty much last day of June. Actually, it's Deuce's birthday. It should be bright as day, but it's almost dark as night. All this foam makes it look lighter than it is. But I'm just trying to keep an eye out if I see anything. I'm gonna pause this and go to the upstairs window. Alright, I just shifted windows for a second. I'm at the bigger window in the family room. Still kind of hard to see with the rain, but I get a little more of a look here. Some pretty close lightning strikes, though. It's a good view of my backyard. I should take a picture like this when it's nice out. Alright, I'll end this one. I'll start another video if anything else happens.